student, how are you? Today we are in our lecture number 4 of the chapter 10 haloalkane haloarine. In last lecture we discussed some preparation of haloalkane from alcohols. Last lecture में आपने I will talk in both language, so better understanding. In the last lecture, આપણે alcohol માંથી haloalkanes we derived. Now preparation of haloalkane from hydrocarbons. Preparation of haloalkanes from हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. एक्चुअली हाइड्रोकार्बन्स શું છે? alkynes and aromatic benzene ring are hydrocarbons. First of all, by free radical halogenation, free radical halogenation means when bond breaks between two atoms. બે atoms વચ્ચેનો bond break થાય. So homolytic fission, both atom individual electron accept, બે પોતાનો electron લઈ separate થાય. Both separates by gaining one of each. Free radical chlorination or bromination. Addition of chlorine એટલે chlorination. Free radical chlorination or bromination. Addition of bromine into alkane, it is bromination. Chlorination of alkanes gives a complex, many product gives, it means a complex, it gives a complex mixture of isomeric mono, di, tri and poly alkyl halides. Which is difficult to separate. From the mixture. That is the problem. We are taking example. अब एक example लेंगे. Here is the normal butane reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, otherwise heat. So याद रखो. We have to take sunlight. So bond breaks in presence of sunlight and both atoms separates from there, and both atom having one electron which is participated now in both atoms, so it is free radical. બે એટમ વચ્ચે bond break થાય ને બે પોતપોતાના એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લઈને છૂટા પડે એને free radicals કહેવાય, which is called free radical. This free radical here react with this one. Suppose one hydrogen removes. Here also free radical occurs. one electron of carbon and one of the hydrogen here in bond. Both gains one of each. બે પોતપોતાનો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લઈ લે. So free radical of chlorine combines here gives one chlorobutane. અહીંથી one hydrogen, from here one chlorine, so removal of HCl. Sometimes hydrogen replaced from here by this free radical. So here chlorine combines and gives two chlorobutane. So you can see this type of reaction gives mixture, one chlorobutane and two chlorobutane. So complex mixture of isomeric mono, sometimes ditri also occurs. I am giving you example. And separation from them, પછી એમાં તેને સેપરેટ કરવામાં બહુ જ ડિફિકલ્ટી થાય છે. સપોઝ I am taking example of methane is reacting with chlorine in sunlight or heat. One hydrogen replaced by one chlorine, so chloromethane. 91 hydrogen, 91 chlorine, removal of HCl. Once again it react with chlorine in presence of sunlight or on heating. One hydrogen replaced by one chlorine gives dichloromethane, removal of HCl. Chlorine in the sunlight, once again releasing of HCl gives the chloroform. Now once again it reacts with chlorine in sunlight, it gives carbon tetrachloride, one hydrogen and one chlorine, so chloroform. Here carbon tetrachloride. So whenever alkane is less and halogen is more, so gives mono, di, tri and tetra polyhaloalkanes. It is very difficult to separate from them. That is the problem in by free radical mechanism. Now example is given in our book. One example is given in our book. Identify all the possible monostructural isomers. Question: identify all the monochloro isomers of CH3 twice, CH, CH2 and CH3. Your question is asked, I compound છે એના આપણે monochloro, only one chlorine add થાય તો how many isomers produce થાય? Write down and give the name. આપણે બધાના name આપવા. So first of all chlorine and sunlight, otherwise heating. So this structure is like this. CH3 twice means here two CH3 group and CH2 CH3. Suppose is reacting with chlorine and sunlight or high temperature. So one hydrogen replaced by one chlorine, like the एक hydrogen remove થાય and one chlorine add થાય. Understood? So 1, 2 and 3, reactivity of chlorine is high, then methyl. So 1 chloro, 3 methyl butane occurs one isomer. Second, chlorine with the sunlight or high temperature. Suppose here hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. So 1 chlorine is added, so monochloro. Numbering start from right hand side. 2 chloro, 2 methyl butane. Now third condition, third possibility is suppose hydrogen is replaced from here and removal of HCl in all the cases. So it gives CH3CCl, CH3, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4. On second position chlorine and methyl. So 2 chloro, 2 methyl butane. Last one, chlorine sunlight delta or removal of HCl. Suppose one hydrogen replaced from here by chlorine, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2CH3. So here is 1 chloro, 2 methyl butane. So how many isomers? 4. Get it? The isomers total are 4 here. 4 isomers occurs here. You can see. Understood? Now next question is from alkenes. Yes, we can form alkyl halide from alkenes. Alkyl halide from alkane is discussed. Now alkyl halide from alkenes. Alkyl halide from alkenes. આપણે alkene માંથી alkyl halide બનાવવા છે. So first of all, addition of hydrogen halides. Addition of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halide means HX. Only HCl, HBr and HI we can add, sir. Not HF. આપણે HF એડ નહીં કરીએ કારણ કે એમાં બોન્ડનું બ્રેકિંગ ખૂબ જ ડિફિકલ્ટ હોય છે. Bond easily breaks in the case of HF, not HF but HCl, HBr and HI. And alkenes are two types. An alkene is converted to corresponding alkyl halide. Alkene converts into alkyl halides when we add આપણે જ્યારે હેલોજન એસિડ આલ્કીનમાં એડ કરશું so alkyl halide આપશે. By reaction with hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid or hydroiodic acid. So you can see C double bond C, which is alkene. We are adding the HX, halogen acid. Here pi bond breaks and pi bond break. Both electron of pi bond suppose moving here. So this carbon became negative and empty vacant orbital here, so it became positive. Now here division of HX. HX na બે part પડે, H plus and X minus. Here H plus combines due to empty orbital. Here X minus combines and donate here. So plus and minus will be cut and it gives haloalkane. Understood? I am giving you example ethene. React with HCl. So what happens here? H plus Cl minus. Pi bond breaks. Here suppose hydrogen combines, here chlorine. Otherwise here chlorine and here hydrogen. So in both condition product is chloroethane, same. CH2Cl CH3. અહીં બે કન્ડિશનમાં પ્રોડક્ટ સેમ રહેશે. Why? Because of our alkene is symmetrical. હવે symmetrical કોને કહેવાય? Whenever functional group on both sides of the double bond are same, which is symmetrical. So in symmetrical alkene, when we add halogen acid, so product will be 1. અહીંયા જોડાય કે અહીંયા જોડાય, product remain same. But in case of unsymmetric alkene, it obeys Markovany-Coase rule. If our alkene is not symmetrical, you can see propene is unsymmetrical. Double bond in left hand side, right hand side CH2, on left hand side CH3CH, which is unsymmetrical. React with halogen acid. So here pi bond breaks. Yes, suppose 2 electron moves towards CH2. So our middle carbon became negative and last one became middle one became positive. Last one વચ્ચેનો કાર્બન પોઝિટિવ થશે, last one negative. Here division of HX. Here H combines, here X. So it gives 2 halopropane. Second possibility is 2 electron moving here. So our middle carbon is now negative and last one positive. Suppose here halogen, hydrogen combines, here halogen. So this one is a 1 halopropane. This one 2 halopropane. So what happens? This one is a major product. This one is a minor. In standard 11, Markovany-Coase rule is given. In the reactant, more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. That is the Markovany-Coase rule. Negative part, more negative part of the reactant combines with less hydrogen having carbon in the case of unsymmetrical alkene. So here this one more negative part આમાં કયો છે X minus, less hydrogen ક્યાં છે middle માં, so combines there. So 2 haloalkane should be major product. I am giving you example. Propene is reacting with HI. Propene is reacting with HI. So now you can see more negative part is added, combines with and pi bond break થાય, પછી less hydrogen having carbon સાથે added combine થાય. So CH3 CHI CH3 and here CH3 CH2 CH2I. This is a minor, this is a major product. So 2 iodopropane, here is 1 iodopropane is our product. Understood? I am giving you some another example. Suppose this one is not benzene, cyclohexene. Here addition of a charge. After breaking of pi bond, H combines here and iodine here. So it gives iodo cyclohexane. Yes, iodo cyclohexane. In the cyclopropene, otherwise cyclobutene is given. We are adding HCl there. So here hydrogen combines and here chlorine. So chlorocyclobutane. So if this type of reaction is given and we are adding HCl. So here carbon is 0, here carbon is 1, hydrogen is 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen nothing. And 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen છે. So more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. એટલે અહીંયા ક્લોરીન આવશે, અહીંયા H આવશે. So 1 chloro 1 methyl cyclohexane occurs. Now second, addition of halogens, not halogen acid. Now addition of halogens. In the laboratory, addition of halogens, not fluorine but chlorine, bromine or iodine. Addition of halogens. In the laboratory, addition of halogen in the addition of bromine in CCl4. Laboratory na, in the laboratory, addition of bromine which is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride CCl4. It reacts with alkene, so color of bromine reddish brown disappear. Bromine is actually reddish brown which is dissolved into CCl4. CCl4 માં bromine add કરેલો હતો dissolved reddish brown. So when react with alkene, alkene સાથે react થાય એટલે color disappear થઈ જાય. On the basis of it we can say alkene is present. For the presence of double bond, this test is very useful. Suppose ethene is given. Ethene. We are adding bromine into it. So breaking of pi bond gives here one bromine, here is another. 1, 2 dibromoethane, and our product is vicinal. What is vicinal? Adjacent carbon ઉપર બે હેલોજનો એને vicinal કહેવાય. Vicinal dihalide it gives VIC means vicinal. 1, 2 dibromoethane. We can derive some. Now another example I am giving you. If addition of halogen. Suppose we are taking CH3CH double bond CH2, which is propene. Propene react with chlorine. So here pi bond breaks and two chlorine combines there. So it gives 1,2 dichloropropane. This one also vicinal. Adjacent carbon पर भी same halogen है, which is also vicinal dihalide. Now we are in our point halogen exchange method. Yes, halogen exchange method. One halogen is replaced by another, which is called the exchange. Alkyl halides are often prepared by the reaction of alkyl chloride or bromide. Alkyl halides are often prepared by the reaction of alkyl chloride or bromide. Alkyl chloride or bromide with sodium iodide in dry acetone. This reaction is called Finkelstein. Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein was scientist. In honor of it, reaction is called Finkelstein. If આપણો alkyl halide છે chloro, otherwise bromo છે. Alkyl halide should be chloro, otherwise bromo. When it reacts with sodium iodide in dry acetone, dry means without water. Here halogen will be replaced by iodine, gives iodoalkane. So iodoalkane આપશે and removal of sodium halide. Our haloalkane should be chloro, otherwise bromo. I am giving you in detail. Chloromethane is taken. Sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. Na plus combines with Cl, so it gives NaCl. Iodine combines with methyl, so iodomethane. Why dry acetone is taken? Reason for that NaCl is polar by nature. This one is less polar. Acetone is less polar. So sodium iodide has attraction toward acetone. Polarity, અહીંયા polarity less છે અને less છે. આ more polar છે. આ less polar. એટલે attraction less હોય. એટલે NaCl insoluble in acetone થાય. So NaCl is insoluble. I will speak in now in both languages for better understanding of student. NaCl is insoluble in acetone. NaCl છે બેસી જાય. એટલે આ મેક્સિમમ પ્રોડક્ટ મળે. ઇફ એનું આયોનાઇઝેશન થઈ જાય તો પાછું આને રિએક્ટ કરી અને બેકવર્ડ રિએક્શન મળી જાય. જો અહીં વોટર લીધું હોય તો વોટરમાં NaCl ડિઝોલ્વ થાય, આયોનાઇઝેશન થાય, પાછું છે રિએક્શન રિવર્સ બેકવર્ડ થઈ જાય. એટલે ડ્રાય એસિટોન લઈએ એટલે જે અકર્ડ NaCl છે ઇનસોલ્યુબલ settle down in the vessel. If bromomethane is taken and sodium iodide, same dry acetone means a solvent લીધેલું છે. So sodium with bromine, removal of NaBr, also settle down in the bottom. Here iodine combines, gives iodomethane. So by Finkelstein reaction we can derive iodoalkane, not from fluoroalkane, from chloroalkane and bromoalkane માંથી જ આપણે derive કરી શકાય છે. Understood that? Now Schwarz reaction, another, which is also exchange. In exchange method there are two salt, not one of was discussed Finkelstein, and second one is the Schwarz reaction. Schwarz was also scientist. Schwarz reaction. The synthesis of alkyl fluoride synthesis of alkyl fluorides from haloalkane and haloarine. Alkyl, not haloarine, alkyl halide like alkyl chloride, same, otherwise alkyl bromide. With reaction of silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, antimony fluoride or cobalt fluoride, it gives a fluoroalkane. So we are taking example bromomethane લઈએ. AgF સાથે react કરશે. So AgNBr. AgF is soluble in water, where AgBr insoluble in water. So it will be precipitated. Now methyl combines with fluorine, gives fluoromethane. Understood? Now bromomethane is reacting with the mercurous fluoride. So 2 bromine combines with mercury, so mercurous bromide, and gives the fluoromethane. Suppose methyl chloride is reacting with the antimony trifluoride, gives the fluoromethane and antimony trichloride. Chlorine replaced. In chloromethane react with cobalt fluoride. 2 chloride replaced by 2 fluorine. So gives 2 fluoromethane and cobalt chloride. This is our salts reaction. Salt not for 2 marks. By Finkelstein we can derive only iodoalkane from chloroalkane and bromoalkane. Here we can derive only fluoroalkane from chloroalkane and bromoalkane. Now last point of the day. By electrophilic, now preparation of aryl halide. Yes, sir. All the discussed point is preparation of alkyl halide. Now we are in aryl halide. Yes. Preparation of aryl halide. We can prepare aryl halide by using electrophilic substitution reaction. By electrophilic substitution reaction. 11th साइंस में આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા. once again repeat. Aryl halide and aryl chloride and aryl bromide can be easily aryl chloride and benzene ring સાથે એટલે aryl chlorine aryl chloride aryl bromide can be easily prepared by electrophilic substitution reaction. Easily we can form some. In this case, in the presence of Lewis acid, chlorine and bromine in the presence of Lewis acid like iron or Lewis acid, iron 3 chloride, with the help of catalyst iron or iron 3 chloride means FeCl3 or FeBr3, both are Lewis acid, both are Lewis acids. Standard 11 we discussed benzene react with chlorine Fe, otherwise FeCl3 is a catalyst. First of all, chlorine છે ને FeCl3 સાથે react કરે. So chlorine નું heterolytic fission થાય. 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આ ક્લોરીન લઈ લે એટલે Cl plus and Cl minus. Cl minus combines with FeCl3 અને vacant orbital સાથે એટલે complex temporary FeCl4 minus occur થાય. Here Cl plus electron philic. The positive charge species attracts toward electron of benzene ring, so which is electrophilic. Attracted toward electron. Electron or attracted હોય. અહીંયા chlorine આવે. ત્યાંથી hydrogen replaced થાય. Yes, there is one hydrogen. Here. Replaced by chlorine, so gives chlorobenzene. And occurred H plus once again combines with temporary combined FeCl3. Temporary HCl હતો અને આ combining HCl remove થાય અને FeCl3 as it is catalyst મળી જાય. That is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Now bromination of benzene. Yes. In bromination of benzene, same benzene react with bromine in the presence of FeBr3 or Fe. Both are catalyst Lewis acid. And now bromine first of react with the catalyst and heterolytic fission. એટલે bromine વચ્ચે બોન્ડ હોય એમાં 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કોઈ એક સાઈડ ખસી જાય અને heterolytic fission કહેવાય. અને ટેમ્પરરી FeBr4 minus occur થાય. માઇનસ અહીં combine થાય ટેમ્પરરી. તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક સ્પીસીસ Br plus અહીં combine થાય. ત્યાંથી H plus release થાય. એના Br સાથે જાય અને FeBr3 once again derive થઈ જાય. So bromobenzene. The ortho and para isomers can be easily separated. Now toluene. Example of toluene. Bromination of toluene. Halogenation. This is toluene. Halogen X2. Catalyst FeX3. X should be chlorine or bromine. In standard 11, CH3 is first combined in the ring so it is ortho para directing એટલે જો મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ બેન્ઝીન ઉપર હોય ને તો બીજા આવતા ગ્રુપને ઓર્થો અને પેરા પ્લેસમાં મોકલે. ઓર્થો એટલે સેકન્ડ પોઝિશન, પેરા એટલે ફોર્થ. અહીં હેલોજન આવે ઓર્થો. Here halogen comes so para. So 2 halo toluene. This one 2 halo, sorry 4 halo toluene. Otherwise this one ortho halo toluene. This one para halo, para place કહેવાય સામસામે toluene occurs there. If here chlorine is taken, so here should be FeCl3. So here 2 chlorotoluene. Here 4 chlorotoluene occurs. If bromine is taken, FeBr3, then 2 bromotoluene and 4 bromotoluene occurs. Understood? Now it gives mixture of ortho and para. But what's different in boiling point? Melting point and boiling point. Here mixture we can easily separate because of large difference in melting point and boiling point. यहाँ पे इनो melting point आ mixture में है orthopera. इनो melting point में boiling point different होए छे. We can easily separate some. By this reaction we can't derive fluorobenzene. આ મેથડ થી આપણે એ બાય ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક થી ફ્લોરોબેન્ઝીન નહીં મળે, but we can derive iodobenzene in particular condition. Benzene react with HI and gives iodobenzene. Here HNO3 and oxidizing agent with iodine, yes sir, iodine and FeI3. So here bond breaks between iodine plus minus. Iodine combines here and removal of HI. This HI easily ionizable. Easily ionization થઈ જાય, bond break છે. Reaction reversible હોય છે. Chlorination, bromination વાળું નહીં. Iodination વાળું reaction is reversible. So HI here separates, and once again iodine combine and gives the benzene. So product will be less. Iodobenzene will be less. In this reaction we have to add strong oxidizing agent like periodic acid or nitric acid. આ રિએક્શનમાં મેક્સિમમ પ્રોડક્ટ મેળવવા ઓક્સિડાઇઝિંગ એજન્ટ HNO3 or HiO4 we are adding. So occurred HI here in the presence of HNO3 converts into I2 and H2. So reaction only moves in forward direction. Like HI જે occurred થયો એનું at a time oxidation કરો, -1 into 0 oxidation, એટલે હવે આયોડોબેન્ઝીન છે એની સાથે HI રિએક્ટ નહીં થાય, I2 રિએક્ટ નહીં કરે, અને પ્રોડક્ટ we get the maximum. We can't derive fluorobenzene by electrophilic substitution reaction. Why? Fluorine is highly reactive, so it's not reacting with benzene, and when it combines with catalyst, so it never combines with benzene. Fluorine is highly reactive, benzene is more stable. So by using electrophilic substitution reaction આપણે ફ્લોરોબેન્ઝીન ક્યારે બનાવી શકશું નહીં. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Take care. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture.